So, hashtags. How to use hashtags. I'm Richard Dawson from Cheshire Digital. This is my weekly digital marketing insight. So hashtags date back to about 2007 when they first started being used, but you probably know that they're very commonly used on all social media platforms now. What they do is they connect your content with your audience. So they can be used to connect your content with a specific theme, an event, a conversation that's going on, maybe a cause, a social cause, for example. It also means that your posts are easier to find in search within social media. So they're a great way of connecting with your audience. I suppose the next question is, how do you find the right hashtags? There's two main ways of doing that. One is keep a very close eye on what your competitors are doing, what they're using. So they will probably, the ones who are successful, hopefully, are using hashtags in the right way. The second way is there are various tools out there that help you search for hashtags and identify the right ones for your business. One of them is called Hashtagify. That's quite good. Check that one out, have a look at it, see what you think. So that's the way that you identify the right hashtags. A bit of research, watching what other people use. So then the question really is how many to post on in a particular post. How many hashtags should you use in a given social media channel? Well, the answer really is pretty similar for most of the social media channels except Instagram. So with Instagram, it's about 5 to 10 hashtags, an optimal number. With the others, it's between 1 and 3. So Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, and YouTube, roughly between 1 and 3 is the optimal number of hashtags for that particular channel. So if you want to get good at digital, you want to grow your business, get in touch with me in the usual ways on Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn. And of course you can search Richard Dawson Cheshire Digital. Would really help me if you would like, comment, share and subscribe wherever you see this vlog. Thanks for watching all the way through to the end, and of course I'll see you next time.